Lens flare effect is an awesome cool photography effect, and we can create this beautiful effect in Affinity Photo. Stick around, I will show you how. Hey guys, I'm Dev, back with another Affinity Photo tutorial video, and this is my first vocal video. I'm not good in mic, just a little bit good in design, so if I made any mistake, please pardon me. Anyway, to create lens flare effect, at first we need a stock of lens flare. If you want to use copyright free, then go to pixabay.com, type lens flare. Here you get many lens flare images. Select and download that image you like. Most of the time people ask where I can find royalty free images. So here is the answer. Pixabay.com, world's largest royalty free stock photo for your project work. Also, there are pixel.com or unflash.com. These are three royalty stock giants, absolutely free to use and no copyright issue. Here you will find absolutely free stock photo for your project. All are copyright free and free to use for commercial purpose also. Let's see which photo is looking good. Okay, this one. Okay, this one is looking good. I'm downloading it. See, Pixabay license, free for commercial use, no attribution required. So let's check few images and download one by one. Now back to our artboard, select your image. Now go to above, left, file, place, and select lens flare image that I have downloaded from Pixabay. Now simply click and drag above this image. This is an optional. Right click on the image, transform, flip horizontal. As I want this light from left to right. Now go to above layer, which is lens flare image, and change it blend mode to screen. Wow, looking good. To make a little bit more good, decrease its opacity around 75 to 80%. Now go to below adjustment levels and use some levels. Black levels around 6%, little bit gamma, and it's okay. That's cool, right? Please leave your comment, hit like and subscribe this channel. It's motivate us to do more cool video like this. Anyway, let's try this effect on daylight photo. Here is the second photo. It's a daylight image. Again go to file, place another lens flare image. Simply click and drag above this image. Adjust or resize position. Yet again change blend mode normal to screen. Now here little bit harsh on the lens flare image. Go to mask layer, add mask on the lens flare image. Take paintbrush tool. Make sure foreground color black, brush hardness 0, and gently brush on the mask near the edges of the image. This is the portion I use brush to remove image harsh image. Now adjust reposition to match with the image. For this one, above, no. Okay, this is good. Left side, right side, below, no, it's not looking good. Oh, take time and adjust it with the image. Okay, this one looking good. Again, use some level adjustment. Just a little bit. And yep, done. So this is my final output. I think it's looking good. How you like this work? Comment me down below this video. So here is a lens flare effect in Affinity Photo, one on dark type photo and another on daylight photo. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Affinity series, then subscribe this channel to get more amazing Affinity Photo effects tutorial. Support me on Instagram, and also you can check out my other video in channel playlist. Thanks for watching, and I will back soon with another video. Till then, have fun with Affinity Photo.